Hi there! Here's a quick little tutorial to make this needle holder. I use this big one at work. I just pin it up to my wall at each job and I can quickly see the size and type of needle that I need. You can also use a similar technique to make something like this. This one lives on my thread rack at home. It's really convenient. In this video, I'm going to make a smaller version for traveling. All you need are some scraps of fabric, a scrap of felt, and some ribbon or twill tape for the ties. Cut 2 rectangles that are 4 inches tall by whatever length you want. I'm going with 5 inches long. Cut a fat 1/4 inch of felt that's as long as the rectangle. Fat 1/4 inch is just a quick way of saying an extra 1/16 of an inch, because who wants to find 5/16 of an inch on a ruler? Sew the felt to one end of the rectangles right through the middle. Cut the ends of the ties at an angle so they don't unravel, and sew the middle of the ties to one edge of the rectangle like this. Sew the 2 rectangles together face to face at a 1/2 inch, leaving an opening at one end. Trim away the corners and flip the rectangle right side out. Push the corners out and press the rectangle flat. Fold under the opening and press. Now edge stitch around the perimeter of the rectangle and you're done. Insert a few needles through the felt strip and roll it up.